Hello everyone, I am Dejwar from a parallel universe,
Wow.
and because of that, I'm using an avatar in place of my face. Well, let me show you guys how I created this in just few minutes because I'm bored, okay?
It's boy.
From a parallel universe. First of all, I will open Microsoft Paint 3D. It's free and available in Windows 10. I will start drawing a character for the avatar which I am going to animate. Now, for the eyes, I am not worrying much because I will be replacing them in the software I will be using for animating this character. Now the most important thing. After cropping the picture, I will make the background transparent so that I can add a green screen later. Now, we will save the picture to a directory where we will give a name and save with the file extension as PNG. You can also go to your browser, search for a cartoon character in Google. You will find lots of characters which you can use as your avatar. Just make sure to make the background transparent before using it. Now since we have made a character, now it's time for the software. I will be using CrazyTalk 8 for this video. You can download free trial which is about 15 days, or you can buy the software for lifetime access for $129. Let us open the software. First click on the actor icon for creating a 2D character. Now select the PNG file which we just created. We will be asked to crop the picture. Since we already cropped the picture, just select all of it and hit next. Adjust the markers according to the picture given in the left side following the numbers. Hit next. Now again adjust all the markers present here with respect to the picture on the left. After doing that, hit next. Align the 3D perspective of the drawn character according to the frame. Our character is looking straight at us, so just hit next. Now the character has a structure. It's time to add eyes to the character. Select an eye, drag and drop it onto the character and you are done. Same for the teeth. Select the teeth according to your liking, drag and drop it on the character. You are ready. Now you will select this icon where in this dialog box you can record or even add audio file. We will hit the record button and record some of my precious voice as you can see. Now let's see the character speak. Hello everyone, I am Dejboy and nice to meet you. Well, that's that. You can view the timeline from here. Now you will click this icon, add a background color, choose a green color so that you can use this video as green screen. Now you can export the video. You will see a dialog box with lots of options where you can change the output file type, resolutions and other stuff. After that, hit export, then choose a directory for saving the video and hit save. After the file is exported, you will have the video. Hello everyone, I am Dejboy and nice to meet you. Well, this is how you can create your own talking Tom. I mean an avatar like myself who can talk in behalf of you. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video, and if you want to watch more videos of mine, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.